Most students get trapped by the negative sign here. Can you solve this correctly without making a mistake? The question is, 2 minus 6 times 2 minus 6. Your time starts now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Time up.
Wrong solution. Mistakes that usually people do. 2 minus 6 equals minus 4. Then, 6 times minus 4 equals minus 24. After that they subtract. 2 minus 24 equals minus 22. That's completely incorrect. Let's solve correctly step by step. First solve the bracket. 2 minus 6 equals minus 4. Now the expression becomes 2 minus 6 times minus 4. Step 2. Multiply carefully. 6 times minus 4 equals minus 24. Now whenever you see minus into minus, change it into plus. That tiny sign changes the whole answer. We get 2 plus 24. So the final answer is 26. Be honest, did you get the right answer 26? Or 22? Let us know. See you in the next video.